Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can update Ollama on Windows 10 and 11 machines. So Ollama is already installed on my computer and I will update the Ollama. To update the Ollama, visit ollama.com and click on downloads. And here you will find the downloads for Mac OS, Linux and Windows. I am using Windows, so I will download the Ollama for Windows. Click here and download is started. It is going to take around 14 minutes. I will pause the video and come back again once the download is completed. Download is completed and click here to start the click on the exe file to start the installation. Now click on install. Installation is about to complete. Now in the new version there is an application called Ollama app, and the Ollama app can be used to talk to the LLM model or interact with the LLM model. So this is the Ollama app that is coming with the latest version of Ollama. So it is loading the models. So here is the list of models that I have installed on my computer. So I have DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion. I will select this model and I can talk to this model. You can use Ollama into the terminal as well as you can use the Ollama into Ollama app. So there is some error in my computer. So might be RAM issue. So in this tutorial, I showed you how you can update the Ollama on Windows 10 and 11 machines and then use the Ollama app. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.